Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, Barbie inspired nails. Keep watching. Inspiration for this set is the Barbie movie 2023 that obviously I haven't saw it yet, but I actually decided that I will go for the pictures that are online of the outfit of Barbie and Ken, and this is the picture that grabbed more my attention, and I choose to create a set inspired by this look. I will use these colors that are the closest to the outfit from the brand Stars from the Stars, but I don't have all the color and I have hard time to find them, so I will add like this indigo color, which is the one that I have on my nails, to create basically the blue, and I will create a mixture for what I'm missing. I start applying the color pink, and I don't have to actually to fill up all the nail, I can just go half of the nail and then leave it wet and going next to it with the orange color and create a sort of ombre, but it doesn't have to be a precise ombre. And then dry it in the lamp. Here are the color I will need, and as I didn't have that kind of purple, I had to mixture that blue with that purple here and the blue with a little bit of white. And just keep in mind that is not the best mixture color from different brands, but always from the same brand. And after each color I will dry a few seconds in a lamp. I usually doing like about 10 seconds, and this is for not basically mixing the next color with the previous one, but obviously if it's something that I want to do, as I will do in the next nails, I will just do the opposite. I will leave the previous color wet to be able to mix it with the next one. When I'm done with the colors, I will dry everything in the lamp for at least 60 seconds, and now I will use some paint gel, and I will create these nail art patterns that are on the outfit that is not really clear what they are, if it's a chain, if it's like the print of a sewing machine, so I just go for it. In this case, I will apply a regular shiny top coat, but next I will also use matte top coat. And here we go, that's how all the set look like. I really like it. I truly hope I was able to give you an inspiration if you want to create a set inspired from the movie Barbie. And obviously I created just watching the pictures that are available online. I haven't watched the movie yet, and I'm pretty sure as we will watch the movie we will have like more inspiration for the sets. But yeah. To me, create this set was a lot of fun, and I think it's a perfect set for summer. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!